doing there?
Yeah, he's going places. That's a big dog. How you like it, Mr. Long?
I like it. I like the color and everything. I like the color. I like this caddy too. It's a pretty caddy here. Original paint.
Mr. Long, what show are we at? Mr. Long,
Yes, sir.
what show are we at?
We had Brother Al show.
There you go. Show and tell, Montclair.
Show and tell Montclair.
Who has been here?
Yeah, this is really a nice caddy. I like the top. I like everything on it. Nice wheels, beautiful car. It's Mr. Wayne's car.
Mr. Wayne.
Mr. Wayne. We got a few cars.
Let's walk around, check out the cars.
Hey, Joe, check my man's Corvette out. He painted at his house in the garage.
All right, while our judges are walking around taking a look at all these beautiful, fine pieces of machinery, we're going to ask all our spectators, as you're walking around, please, no bicycles, no skateboards, no roller skates. Ladies, please watch the carriages. Gentlemen, watch your keys and watches. Gosh, some of these cars out here, one little 6-inch scratch could set you back a lot of money.
Hey.
Big D, how you doing, D? How you doing, D?
Please don't touch. Hey, I can promise you one thing, and this is the only thing I can promise you. If you don't roll your fingers over any of these cars, I'll promise you that these cars won't roll over your fingers. How's that? Is that a deal? There you go. We're going to keep this thing floating and going. We'll stay on the same tempo, but let's pick it up a little bit.
Hot Rod Mike is on the set. That's our band.
That's Brother West right there.
Yeah, we always get West.
West with the caddy.
We need wheels for those legs.
Hey Joe, this is my man with the 63 Chevy. Now he has an Oldsmobile.
Yeah, we all.
Got it?
Yeah, I remember when I had it. Both the guys start to wash the cars. Yeah,
The Scotty car right here, right?
Yeah, this is Brother Scotty's car here. And this is Brother Lee car over here.
Yeah, Lee got that. Lee got that 57.
And this
Yeah.
the blue one's a 56. Beautiful car. some serious cars. Hey, Red, I thought you was police with that shirt on. Which one? You from a distance, you look like a police with that shirt on. I am police. Yeah, there he is. Excuse me.
S. What's up, baby?
Joe, I gotta get my glasses out your car. I'm working on the car. I'm much easier. It's all right. No. This is my man's Mike's car here, 58 cents. You can get my plate. No, it was my plate. I took them over. I was just telling them. Yo. You know, it's a big bag over there.
Is that Dirty Red?
I'm here with North and South, baby. All day. North and South, South and West, East Coast, West Coast. What's up, baby?
Represent hard.
Represent, baby. Get up in here. Get up in here, brother.
Big D, we got all. Hey,
What they
hey,
talking about?
hey,
Northeast, West,
we got the men's auxiliary
What
here.
we got here? Come on in here, baby.
Is this a show and tell show?
All day
All
long.
day long.
Montclair show?
All day long.
Got Big Wayne and the guys. That's a good look there, brother. That's a real good look. You know you on YouTube right now.
They got my face.
You on Classic Riderz TV.
Right.
And we not paying y'all either.
Hey, Dirt, what do you say, Dirt?
We ain't paying them either.
Oh, that's a terrible Dirt.
Let me get that shot. All right, baby.